Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm Jake, and today we're going to unbox an H2O Wireless phone bundle as well as an H2O prepaid SIM card. I'm going to show you what's cool about these guys in a moment. So what's really neat about the H2O prepaid SIM cards is that they are resizable. You can actually punch them out to the size of your phone. So first you get your card, and you see there you got your standard, your micro, and your nano. And you just punch it out. And this is so it can work with any phone. And let's say you have an iPhone. Typically they have the micro SIMs. So you'd go to the white line and punch it out just like that. And there you go. Let's start with the unboxing of the phone, shall we? We're gonna take our trusty opening tool for this one. And voila, you have your phone. Now, first things first, we're gonna take the plastic off the screen. There's your volume button and your screen on, screen off. But first things first, we need to put our SIM card in. So, get our H2O punch out SIM. We're gonna punch out the nano there, which is the white guy. We're gonna put the SIM card in the back of the phone. Take our SIM. Insert it just like that. And now we can put the back case on our phone. Make sure they all snap right in. Then you're good to go. And it's that simple. I hope that you found this unboxing / SIM insertion tutorial to be helpful for you. And I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.